Hey guys, it's me, the Haunted Wolf 12 here, and this is kind of a early birthday gift, or a Christmas gift, I don't know. You could call it either one, because my birthday and Christmas are close together. But, yeah, this is from Walmart. So, probably already know it's an animatronic, knowing me, so, yeah, let's just get to opening it. This knife is good, but it's not getting under the glue. Sorry. There. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, it's the Snowman. Bell ringing Snowman. Since my Walmart never got it in stock, I ordered it on the internet. What the heck? Okay then, well I'm gonna have to pose the arms better, but anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.